sun slips in through a half-drawn shade. Kettle hums slow, got the whole day made. Phone on the floor, I don't check the time, only reach for you and that old mug of mine. I'm never pressed for time on mornings like this. You're talking half-formed thoughts, I answer with a kiss. Let the sunlight fill up this room, let my heart fill up with you. From time to time we stumble, still we always make it through. Got no bright idea how to live this life just right, so we lie down, laugh it off, let the coffee get cold in the light. Toast goes dark, cause we both forget. You're telling some story I haven't heard yet. Dishes in the sink, bills in a pile. We'll get to all that in a little while. From time to time we rush, trip over the week, but today the clock can barely speak. Let the sunlight fill up this room, let my heart fill up with you. From time to time we stumble, still we always make it through. Got no bright idea how to live this life just right, so we lie down, laugh it off, let the coffee get cold in the light.